This 3D model you're looking at was created with Neural4D in just a few seconds. Now, here's the question. Do you think I could create a few assets with this and actually list them on marketplaces like Fab or Unity Asset Store? Just imagine listing something like this on Fab. How much could you realistically sell it for? Similar assets on Fab are usually priced somewhere between $10 and $30. So today, I want to build a model completely from scratch and see whether it actually reaches the quality level needed to be published on a real marketplace or not. But before we start building anything, let's take a quick look at the tool itself and see what it actually is. Neural4D is basically an AI platform for creating 3D content. That means you can generate 3D models using nothing more than a text prompt or even a single image. The first thing you do is visit the website. As always, you'll find the link in the description. Once you're there, you can log in. And if you don't already have an account, you can sign up in just a few seconds using your Google account and jump right into the platform. After logging in, you'll arrive at Neural4D's main workspace, where you'll find pretty much all the tools you need to build a 3D asset. Once you click Generate, you'll enter the main workflow. Inside the workflow, you'll see several different features, but one of the most important sections is Alpha. When you open Alpha, you'll get access to a chat box where you can create pretty much anything you want. For this example, I'm going to use a prompt I got from ChatGPT, but I could also write my own description or even upload an image as a reference. Once I provide my reference and send it, the generation process starts. In less than a minute, my model is ready. This section is perfect for people who don't want to spend too much time dealing with details. It's basically the simple and easy way to create something quickly. But if you want more control and more professional results, there are other options available. For example, right now I have an image that I want to convert into a 3D model. So I'm going to open the image to 3D feature. Inside this section, there are a few different approaches. I can simply upload a single image and let the system handle everything automatically. But just like the alpha workflow, it won't always focus heavily on fine details. However, if I switch over to the Multi-View tab and upload images from several different angles, the quality jumps to a completely different level. Once the model is generated, I move it into the texture section to improve its visual quality. After generating the textures, you can immediately notice that the details are much richer and the overall quality looks significantly better. So basically, I can take images of the object I want from multiple angles, or simply describe it with text, and Neural4D will turn that into a 3D model. Then I take that model into the texture section to add more detail. And finally, I move it into the retopo section. This helps optimize the model and makes it much closer to something that could realistically be used in a marketplace. What this tool really demonstrates is how easy and accessible 3D creation has become. You can generate a 3D model with very little effort and still end up with a fairly solid result. Neural4D also supports several other features, including AI image generation and AI video generation with different styles and effects. For example, you could create an anime-style character as both an image and a video. And finally, we get to one of my favorite features and honestly, one of the most interesting sections of the platform, anime art. With anime art, you can design a character inside an anime-style world. You can specify whether the character is male or female. You can customize the clothing style. You can even define details like eye color. After that, you can modify the background and the environment surrounding the character. You can also change the motion, the mood, and the overall style of the character. Personally, I found this section extremely interesting. There are a lot of ideas you could bring to life here, and I think there's potential for some really impressive projects. So, at this point, here's what we've seen. We started with a simple idea, jumped into Neural4D, and tested the entire process of creating an asset from start to finish. From generating models using text and images, to adding textures, and finally optimizing everything to make it suitable for real-world use. And this is where the difference between creating a model and creating a sellable asset really become clear. Now, I want to hear your opinion. If you were going to build an asset using this tool, what would you create that could realistically sell? And if you've already tested Neural4D, what was your experience with the quality of the outputs? I'm reading all of the comments because the idea for the next test or the next video might actually come from one of you. That's it for today's video. I'd really appreciate if you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one, my friends.